In today's video, we're diving into 4 uncomfortable truths about RV living that you need to know. I'll be saving the biggest shocker for last, a mistake that has cost people thousands of dollars. Whether you are new to RV life or you're already living it, these insights could prevent some serious pitfalls.
Let's start with the hard truth. RV life isn't easy. Despite what you see on social media, it's not just a simple, carefree lifestyle compared to the traditional home living. In reality, RV living is full of challenges. If you're stationary in one place, you might face unexpected stresses that can make it harder than you think. And if you're a traveler, planning becomes crucial. Every night brings the uncertainties of finding a place to park your RV. From figuring out package deliveries to accessing medical care, the list of logistical challenges can be overwhelming. Constantly moving to a new location means adapting to new grocery stores, navigating unfamiliar towns, and dealing with the stresses of finding your way in an ever-changing environment.
Next up, let's debunk the myth that RV life is more affordable than traditional living. When you add up all the costs, campground fees, RV maintenance, repairs, fuel, food, mail service, and internet, it can quickly become more expensive than one may think. Yes, you will still need to eat, and travel often means more meals out, which drives up food costs. Reliable portable internet is another growing expense. Plus, RVs depreciate in value, unlike traditional homes that tend to appreciate. When you factor in interest on an RV loan and the depreciation of the RV itself, you might find that RV life costs more than you expected. We have chosen to keep a home base for this very reason, to secure our future and avoid these financial pitfalls.
Here's another myth. RV life will not solve your personal or family issues. Whether you're dealing with a relationship problem or personal struggles, moving into an RV won't magically fix them. In fact, it can sometimes make things even worse. Being in a close quarters 24/7 can amplify existing issues rather than solving them. Before hitting the road, it's crucial to address any underlying problems and have a plan for managing them. While exploring new places can be exciting, it can also add stresses if you're not already in a good emotional and mental place.
Lastly, securing a spot at a campground is becoming increasingly difficult. With more people turning to RV life, demand is high, leading to higher prices and limited availability. Popular destinations and warmer climates are especially impacted, with state parks and campgrounds often adding extra fees. For instance, some Florida state parks now charge a daily fee for electricity in addition to the campsite fee. Let us know in the comments how your campground experiences have been this season, and if you have noticed any changes in availability or costs.
And now for the most important truths. RVs are not designed for full-time living. Here's why. Construction. RVs use lightweight materials to be easily towable, but this compromises their durability. Constant moving can cause structural issues like leaks or drafts. Number 2, insulation. RVs often have poor insulation, making it tough to maintain a comfortable temperature and increase energy costs. Number 3, plumbing. RV plumbing systems are less robust than the traditional home systems, leading to a more frequent leaks and maintenance. Number 4, electrical systems. RV electrical systems are built for short-term use. Overloading them can trip breakers and cause other issues. Number 5, ventilation and air quality. Poor ventilation can lead to mold and humidity problems, affecting air quality and comfort. RVs are fantastic for short trips and vacations, but living in one full-time can lead to more frequent repairs and higher costs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more RV tips and insights. Drop your comments below on your RV experiences and any challenges you have faced. See you next time.